National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in central New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, North Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Princeton and moving south at 15 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Edinburgh around 5:50 p.m., Mercerville, Hamilton Square and Hightstown around 5:55 p.m., Windsor and Whitehorse around 6 p.m., Allentown and Crosswicks around 6:15 p.m., Imlaystown around 6:25 p.m., Cream Ridge and Georgetown around 6:30 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, and Monmouth.